Your business is important to you, and it's hard to imagine day-to-day operations without a connected ecosystem, such as your employees' PCs and personal devices, your office IoT devices like printers, storage, POS machines, access controls, CCTVs, and many more. Not to mention, there's also guest Wi-Fi as another facility you may need to extend. What you may not realize is that all these expose your business to many threats. For example,
employees are getting access to unwanted contents in the office network,
decreased internet speed, malware and external threats through IoT devices, data and credential theft, potential attacks through external guest devices. And that's why we've designed Audra to power up your business with the internet that listens to you, all in a simple plug-and-play package to keep you worry-free from dangers around. Audra comes in 3 parts that make up an intelligent business solution: the Audra Gateway, Audra Cloud, and the Audra Management app. Audra sits at your business gateway with its AI cloud function, which manages all traffic that comes in and goes out according to you. To bulletproof your business security, Audra prevents attackers that want to steal data by invading devices connected to your internet. And now, you have full control of your network through applying rules to prevent unwanted access, such as tagging devices into groups, setting work schedules, putting right blocks, making whitelists for websites like banking, e-commerce, and more to safeguard your business, allocating QoS bandwidth across groups and departments, preventing malware, adware, and DDoS attacks in just a few clicks, getting notifications to monitor your office status and modify rules from wherever you are. This simple yet robust Audra Business needs no IT expertise to set up and operate. So, for your business, nothing can be more suitable than Audra. For more details, log on to www.audra.io today.